Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use RCT in Jujutsu Shenanigans public server. First, understand that Reverse Curse Technique, or RCT, is your primary healing ability. It allows you to quickly recover from damage and replenish your stamina during intense fights. Knowing when and how to activate it is crucial for staying alive and dominating your opponents. To activate RCT, simply press and hold the G key on your keyboard. You'll notice your health bar rapidly refilling. Remember, RCT continuously consumes your cursed energy while active, so keep an eye on your energy bar. Release the G key when you've healed enough or need to conserve energy for other abilities. Strategic use of RCT can turn the tide of any battle. Don't wait until your health is critically low. Activate it proactively after taking a significant hit. This allows you to quickly re-engage or escape. Also, consider combining RCT with dodges or blocks to minimize incoming damage while you heal, maximizing its effectiveness in combat. For advanced play, upgrading your cursed energy stat directly increases how long you can sustain RCT, giving you a significant edge. Also, observing enemy attack patterns helps you anticipate damage, allowing for perfectly timed activations. This minimizes downtime and keeps you in the fight longer. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.